Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP DeskJet Advantage 4615, and now I'm going to show you how to copy in color using this device. So you have two different ways to copy on this printer. So first way is to insert the card. For example, I have this printer status report and I want to copy it. Or maybe I have another card. No, I have not. So for example, if you wanna, I will show you using this card. So for example, you can copy it, locating this card here. As you can see, here is the copying place. So locating here, you will hear the beep sound that paper was detected, or you can locate paper card here, as you can see, and here you can locate another card. For example, this is maybe printhead alignment card. So you can locate a card you wanna copy here or here. So let's show how it works when you will locate the paper card here. So load the card, click copy, choose color copy, for example. So cool, that's it. And as you can see, in my case it doesn't work, but it's just because my printer is damaged. So it just copied the really small part of text, and the quality of copying is very bad. As you can see, this is visible, but really barely visible. So cool. But if you have this device and this device works well, so you don't need to make it in the other way, but you can locate your paper card here, and printer will take the photography of your document, and in this way maybe will be better. So click copy again, one copy. If you want to make more copies, so click on it. And for example, I want to use black copy right now. Cool, that's it. As you can see, the quality is really great and it was very fast. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.